In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Otter AI. Whether you're looking to tidy up your digital workspace or transition to a different service, disabling your Otter AI account is a straightforward process that I'm going to guide you through step by step. Grab a cup of coffee and let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Otter AI website at otter.ai. Once you're there, find the login button and sign in using your credentials. If you're already logged in, you're in the right place, so let's keep moving. Once you're logged into Otter, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll notice your account name or email address displayed. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu that gives access to different account settings and options related to your profile. Now, from the drop-down menu, you'll want to click on Account Settings. This is where you can manage all of the settings for your Otter account, and it's where we'll be continuing our journey to disable it. When the account settings page loads, you'll see a sidebar or a tab labeled General. Go ahead and click on General. This will open up specific settings that relate to the general functionality of your account on Otter AI. Once in the general settings, scroll down until you find the option that says Delete your account and all account data. Now, this is a significant step and something you should only do if you're sure you want to completely disable your Otter AI account. Deleting your account means you'll lose any data associated with it, so make sure you've backed up anything important. You'll be prompted to verify your decision with a sign in for verification. Click on the sign in link provided. This additional step is crucial as it's designed to ensure that your account is being deleted safely and that no one can delete it without proper authorization. Once you've signed in, the options to finalize the deletion should become available. Remember that once your Otter AI account is deleted, this action is irreversible. Make sure you've saved any and all information you want to keep, because it will be permanently lost after this step. There you have it. You've successfully disabled your Otter AI account. If you ever need to use Otter again, you can always create a new account and start fresh. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below or visit the help section on Otter AI's website. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides and tips. Until next time.